New Stratus. KZ line actually produces it. Really good basic floor plans, really good quality construction with it. We're not dealing with OSB board and chipboard with this type of product, so you can come in, take a look at. You're dealing with bigger axles, better chassis. You're dealing with plywood construction instead of OSB board and chipboard. So since 1972, KZ's been around. It's not one of these fly-by-night type of brand names that are out there for the last 10 years, and all of a sudden it's another name. So it's been around for a long time. Same family as Airstream. Beautiful product. Really cool stuff. Yeah, you got heated massage, Thomas Paine furniture in this product, theater, inset lighting on it as well. Upgraded colors on the inside, like a barn wood, old wood type of a look in it too as well. A lot more refreshing than their average day dark type furniture that are in here. This is a more upscale, a little bit more nicer, lighter, outside and inside. It's like walking up and seeing a totally different car for the first time. So I love the look of it. I love the look of the inside. Just makes you feel about, checking it out, seeing what's going on with it. Come here, any of us professionals will be able to help you. We got a lot of the professional guys here that have been in business for 10, 15, 20 years, 30 years, 25 like myself. So feel free to call us, let us know if you're coming down. You can come down and actually be in it and see it, and multiple colors too.